Dear student, today I am going to take lecture on tetracycline. So what are the content? This first is definition, second is introduction, classification, historical background, sources, chemistry, SAR of tetracycline, mechanism action of tetracycline, spectrum, activity, uses of tetracycline, side effect of tetracycline. First we discuss about the definition. So these are octahydromethaxine derivative and these are vectostatic action. These are included in broad-spectrum antibiotic and these kills infection caused by microorganisms and are used for treatment of various infections. Next is tetracycline word. It means tetra. First is that it means 4, then cycle means hydrocarbon ring, and INE means derivation. Next is introduction. This is introduced in 50 years ago and these are broad spectrum antibiotics and these are biosynthesized from acetic acid and propionic acid in microorganisms. This tetracycline possesses wide spectrum activity against gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria and these are generally taken by oral route but parenteral and topical form are also available. Next is historical background. 1945, chlorotetracycline was discovered by Dr. Benjamin. And later on, chlorotetracycline formed golden colored soil bacterium called Streptomyces aureofaciens by fermentation technology. This was produced by Dr. Dogger. Next is classification. According to duration of action, these are short-acting, having half-life 6 to 8 years. This includes tetracycline, chlorotetracycline, oxytetracycline. Second is intermediate acting, half-life is 12 hours, and these include democycline, cycline, and methacycline. And third is long-acting, half-life is 16 hours or more. These include doxycycline, minocycline, tigecycline. Next is according to source. These are naturally occurring and semi-synthetic. Naturally occurring include tetracycline, chlorotetracycline, oxytetracycline, hemicyclocycline. Semi-synthetic include doxycycline, maclocycline, methacycline, minocycline. Next is your sources. These are generally obtained from various species of Streptomyces bacteria by fermentation technology. Chlorotetracycline, that is aureomycin, is obtained from Streptomyces aureofaciens. Oxytetracycline, that is terramycin, that is obtained from Streptomyces rhamnosus. Next is about chemistry. It is a very complex structure and it contains A, B, C, D ring and real numbering started from A ring containing 000O, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4A, 5, 5A, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 11A, 12, 12A, and generally these are having 6 chiral carbon atom. Example is methacycline, oxytetracycline, maclocycline, doxycycline. This possesses 5 hydroxy substituents and having 6 chiral carbon atoms. Next is your structure. This is the general structure of tetracycline. Next is structure. This is the general structure of tetracycline. It contains 4 ring A, B, C, D and having substituents R1 in D ring, R2, R3 in C ring, D in B ring, R4 and in A ring it contains CO, NH2 group, amide, OH, O and in B ring it contains OH, in C ring it contains C O and in D ring it contains OH and also in A ring there is NHCH3 twice group is there So accordingly, there is tetracycline R1, it contains H, R2 CH3, R3 OH, and R4 H. In oxytetracycline, it contains R1 H, R2 CH3, R3 OH, R4 OH. Chlorotetracycline in R1 contains Cl group, and R2 CH3, R3 OH, and R4 H. Doxycycline, it contains in R1 H, R2 CH3, R3 H, R4 H. In democlocycline, in R1 it contains Cl, R2 it contains H, R3 it contains OH, R4 it contains H. So these are the overall structures of tetracycline. It is first is tetracycline, second is chlorotetracycline, third is oxytetracycline, democlotetracycline, metacycline, eclocycline, enocycline, doxycycline, tigecycline.